everyone. Today I am going to explain a very important topic that is from biology. But today we will discuss the basic unit of life, that is cell, in applied physiology. What is cell and its structure? Let's see. So what is cell? A cell is the smallest part of any living thing that can work on its own. Think of it like a tiny factory that does everything a living organism needs to stay alive. Some living things like bacteria are made up of just one cell, but more complex organisms like us, humans, are made up of trillions of cells, all working together. Each cell has a boundary called the cell membrane or cell wall. It protects the cell and controls what goes in and out. Inside the cell, there's a nucleus that acts like the brain, and cytoplasm, which is a jelly like fluid where all the tiny machines, that is organelles, do their work. What are these organelles? Can you name some? Organelles like mitochondria and other Golgi apparatus and other. Now, what do the cells do? Cells have DNA, which is instruction manual for everything the cell needs to do. They can sense things, react, grow, and even divide to make new cells. When many cells work together, they form tissues like muscle tissue or skin tissue. Tissues combine to form organs like the heart or lungs, and these organs work together in organ systems like the digestive or nervous system. This is the picture of a very thin slice of a cork which was observed under the microscope. You can see it. So the question is, how was the cell discovered? A scientist named Robert Hooke discovered the cell in 1665. He looked at a thin slice of a cork under a microscope and saw tiny compartments that reminded him of rooms in a monastery, also called cells. And that's how the name cell came to be. Hooke used the word cellulae, which means small rooms. He didn't know these were the building blocks of all life, but it was the first step in an amazing journey of discovery. So let's revise the things we have studied till now. Cells are the smallest working units of life. They can exist on their own or as a part of bigger organisms. All life starts from cells, and it all began when Robert Hooke peeked into a microscope back in 1665. Stay tuned for the next video where we will talk about the cell theory and the amazing scientists behind it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a lesson. Thank you.